Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Global Mindset University and Success Coach. My name is Mohammed Rashid Kamal.
And my name is Ashan Rashid.
Great. On today's episode, as you see, we have a lot of new technologies these days. So one of the new cool technology, it's been on the market for a little while, but it's still new, the augmented reality. So we have got like virtual reality, and especially the augmented reality, it gives you that augmented reality appearance. So uh, we used to have like 2D, 3D, and now you can see the thing is like if you want to buy a sofa or eyeglass, you can even put it in your face while you are in the augmented reality. You can put it on your face, and also you can feel how it looks. So that's where we at these days. So this episode, it's gonna be a continuation. So today is the first episode. We'll show you how to install one of the important application to download and install in your PC. Could be your MacBook Pro or Windows, but we'll show you the basics how to install one of the important applications to create augmented reality application. Great. I'm really excited, Ashari. How much excited are you today?
Oh, I am really excited. And also, I really want to tell you why is augmented reality good. Well, let's say that I am a different person. Like I'm not myself. I really wanted to go to the shop and buy eyeglasses. And then, since it was the coronavirus, I did not have enough time to go to the shop and buy them. So instead, I decided to do augmented reality. I put the phone on my face, and after that, I'll say, I think I like this eyeglass. Then you get to see how it looks like on your face. But for real, it's not in. That's the basics of augmented reality.
Yes.
And it is really fun to use.
Absolutely, Shadi. I remember the day when I first I'm trying to look at it here at my studio, my eyeglass. But I remember the day I went visited different shop to see, these eyeglass stores, see there and finding they bring one design. Hey, let's see this one, and I'll go to this big mirror and look at what it looks like. And another thing, not only that, sometimes you might need someone to look at it for you, right? You put it in your eye, hey, is this look good?
Yes.
Yeah. So, but now today, okay, if you have this augmented reality application in your phone, you just need to download it and you just put that as selfie. You put the camera as a selfie, and you just need to put like that, and you select whatever eyeglass you
And then,
put it. This is just as an example, just as an example. But with augmented reality, you do a lot of things. Let's talk about some of the dangerous works. It's really dangerous works, and then those kind of work can be done using an augmented reality. You can train your employee using those dangerous works just by simulating using an augmented reality application. How cool it is! So, with this, like I said, today's program or today's session is basically will show you how to install. Before that, let's go ahead and talk about some of the key competitors in augmented reality. So, Sharia, you may remember that this Google AR kit, which is the Google augmented reality kit, it just came very soon. And they are really competing these days. So the Google ARCore, they have a dedicated website called developers.google.com. So if you go to developers.google.com/AR, you will see a lot of important features where you can learn about the Google's augmented reality platform. So with that augmented reality platform, you can build augmented reality experience using the Google different API and ARCore capability in your phone to sense your environment and understand the world, and you can interact with it as well. So you can go to that website and you can see a lot of resources there, like how you can use ARCore, how it works. So, and there are some examples like the Quick Starter Guide for Android. There's a Quick Starter guide for Android NDK, and as well as for a quick starter for iOS device. So that's really great.
Oh.
Yeah. And I want to quickly share here a screen with you all and show you a couple of things. So I'll share here. Bear with me with that. So are you be able to see my screen, Sharia?
Oh yes, I'm able to see your screen.
Great. So what I want to show you here is this is the Unity store. The Unity store, that's one of the application we're going to download to this PC, which is the MacBook Pro. We're going to show you. To save time, we already downloaded, but there are a couple of things here, especially if you are a student in university or college. If you are a student, if you have already a GitHub account, you can use your student and you can access a very good application here. You can download the Unity and you can create your augmented reality applications. But otherwise, if you're making 100,000 or less, 100,000 per year or less, you can also have the free Unity application where you can download to your PC and create augmented reality application. So
Yes.
first thing
And also there is a few applications that uses augmented reality. Like for an example, Zoom. Like if you want to change your background, then Zoom uses augmented reality to choose background for you. Then after that, it immediately changes it.
That's right. So you might already remember that, most people these days in the Zoom, it's really growing, right? People are using a lot. So you can think of that. And another important, I can tell you here is that Unity, it has a lot of key capabilities. One like AR Foundation, Unity Mars, XR Interaction Toolkit. That's what Ashari just told us. So XR Interaction Toolkit, this adds interactivity to your augmented reality application just by simply dragging the component into your scene. No more coding. It doesn't require you to code. That's where you learn here in Unity. So like, for example, you can create a game called micro game here. You can select the platform, the FPS, and also the 3D as well. So this is a sample of game that one can create using this Unity. Here are some of the games that's already been created by different starters, augmented reality starters. So we're going to show you how we can go ahead and create those augmented reality applications. So the first thing, like I said, to get that free license, gotta subscribe. Okay, you gotta download the application and also link your augmented reality, link your GitHub account to your profile for that Unity. So right away, they will send you, this is your Unity student seat. So that's my Unity student seat here. They will send you, you can download it, the Unity. And the next thing what we can do here, we're gonna go ahead and install the Unity application. So for that, once I download it, what I will do here, I will double click on it, it will open, okay? And then I have to.
It will open on applications on your file explorer.
I'll drag it.
I can
So
drop.
I already did it. This one, I don't want to replace it, or I can replace it. So just to show you guys, now it's copied. So what I would do, I'm gonna go ahead and click the application, okay? But before that, let's go ahead and get this license key, which is the license. Very important because otherwise you gotta pay for food, so you don't need to pay.
Ooh, pay.
Now you gotta find, you see, Unity Hub.
There it is.
Yes, if you double click on that one, it will ask you a lot of here is a lot of questions here. For example, Unity Hub is an app downloaded from the internet, because this MacBook Pro, because of security, is telling you it's downloaded from the internet. I will say open, that's fine. I trust it because I do, okay? I trust it. So next up, this is gonna walk us, all right? We're going to install Unity, which one? The 2019.4 version. That's the version we have. So download.
That means this version was made in 2019.
Exactly, in patch 4. So downloading and installing require that much gigabyte of the disk space.
Wow.
Don't have 10 gigabytes of disk space, you cannot be able to install this software. Think how much data it has, 10 gigabytes. And currently available disk. So it's telling me that currently this MacBook Pro has 28 gigabytes. So I'm good to go to install this app. Then,
oh, that's good.
Yes, and I will go ahead and select install location. So I'll go ahead and install. So here, my location is going to be applications, Unity, Hub, and Editor. But if you want to change it to somewhere else, you're good to go. You can go ahead and change it. For example, you can go ahead and put it on the documents, okay? And the documents, you can put it on the desktop. But if you want to keep this default one, that's fine. You can keep under applications, Unity, Hub, and editors. I'll go ahead and install it here by clicking install. All right. So this will show you here. I'll show you here the Unity will show you step by step. Ladies and gentlemen, so install Unity. You see that I'm working in my studio, but here's a gentleman is coming up. His name is, what's your name?
Hi, Amina.
Amir Rashid. Okay, welcome to the studio. What can I do for you? Okay, now we're gonna create Unity ID here. Username, email, and password. Since I already have one, I don't need to create here. So I will say, I already have Unity ID. So what I would do here, when I just click that one, I'll come up with an option to put my email and password.
Sign in.
So simple. So
if you don't have a Unity ID, then you can sign up. But if you don't, but if you do, then you can just sign in.
That's the email and password that I create. Let's go ahead and try again. Let's try one more time. Here we go. Now let's go. So the next thing, we're gonna select the micro game. All right. We're gonna select the micro game. Which micro game are you going to do? So select the micro game, enter the name, and select the micro game for your first project. I'm going to say my first project game. So let's go ahead and give it a go. Because Asharia love to be, she wanna be an astronaut.
So let's do an astronaut game, which is usually about exploring space.
Let's go ahead and say NASA dot Rashid. That's what we're gonna call it. All right. So here can be we can select the FBS, which is the 3D.
Which is 3D.
Yes, exactly. And we can take Harden. That's another 3D. You can see it right here. That's a Harden. This accelerates your development with this cartoon micro game, complete with a cart environment and time trial mechanic. What is the platformer, Rashad, if you can tell us? It's a 2D. It's a 2D, but can you tell us a little bit about that, Shadi?
Oh, sure. So platformers, well, most platformers, instead of having people, like you see in that picture, it shows the people, they usually use squares.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then usually platformers are, see the picture, that icon for the platformer? Okay. See that rectangle thing?
Right.
That is the platformer, the guy who you're going to move, and the other parts are the ground, the grass, the everything. Also about the
How about the Shadia, the empty 3D? Empty 3D.
Oh, well. Well, an empty 3D, it is something without any 3D. Okay. Like you see that, there's the sun. It's not 3D, and it's not anything. So this is an empty 3D template.
Right.
That uses Unity's built-in renderer.
Right.
This template is not a complete micro game, but it has a basic setup for a 3D scene.
Exactly. Yes. But, you know, personally, let's go to with the FBS 3D. with the FBS 3D. I think
Ooh.
we can go with cart in a chart. It's a 3D as well. So it has a cart right there and it's going to be drive. We can add a different things to it. So let's go ahead and continue here. Okay.
Oh yeah, let's do this.
Yes. So this is, you can call it my first game. That's the video, what it looks like. Then almost there. When Unity has finished downloading, you'll be one step closer to build your first game. So as you can see right here, Unity is going to download how many gigabytes? More than 10 gigabytes. Okay. So you gotta wait.
Oh, huh.
This download is complete.
Wow.
Now we have got 29% complete, 30% complete. So once that's done, we're gonna launch the Unity, okay, Unity game, and after that, we can be able to explore and make a change to it. But before that, until this is done, let's go ahead and discuss a little bit about the ARCore. Like I said, this one, the ARCore is an augmented reality platform. It's a Google platform where you can be able to create your augmented reality application. So this is a quick start for Android, for example. So with an Android, you can get started targeting your augmented reality Unity app in your Android. So what you need to do this, like you can see over here, that's Unity. Yes, that's Hello AR. Basically, that's the augmented reality from the Unity. And you also have here the Hello AR as well. There is another one as well. So that's easy way you can start work on this one. So the first thing you need to enable your ARCore. This will describe you how to enable your ARCore functionality in your Unity project. So to do that, you're gonna go ahead and import the ARCore SDK for your Unity. And also you need to configure your app to ARCore for AR optional. That's optional. So you need to make your app complies with the ARCore's user privacy requirements. One thing very important here related with augmented reality application is that you gotta be careful that there are a lot of things related to the privacy and security of individuals or users who are using the augmented reality application. So you might be mindful that when you use augmented reality, there are these tools see-through. That means it can see whatever things you are doing. For example, if I have an AR glass in my eye right now, and if I'm trying to work right here, the AR glass can read whatever in your environment. Whatever you see in your eye, it can read it. So that way, you might lose your privacy. So you gotta be careful on that one. When to use your AR augmented reality kits, wherever environment it will be like very secure. Yes. Another very important thing here, I am doing a research, graduation research for masters. I'm working on the augmented reality applications, privacy and security, creating a framework. So using that framework, developing a framework, okay, using that framework, one can reduce the risk for security breach, risk for privacy. See, all those cool stuff can be reduced and
privacy. Yes, we don't want anyone to get all your information, like especially hackers.
Yes, that is true.
If you tell them your password, then they might steal it, and then yeah, something bad could happen if you tell someone your password and
the application. The hackers, they will send you a third-party application where you're not trusted. Those untrusted applications is a third party, and then they will block your way. Let's say you are using an augmented reality that help you guide you from your home to a shopping center, for example, and they will send you a 3D while you are walking on the street by being guided by that 3D, by that augmented reality application. So they might block your way and you may be hit by cops. So there are a lot of things related with that one, and my research is definitely is going to answer all of that. So I'm almost there. I'm going to go ahead and do very soon. I will do, I've created a questionnaire that will be distributed online for augmented reality users and developers. So once I collect that one, I will analyze and also modify and update and create my augmented reality framework that's mainly targeting the security and privacy of augmented reality applications. Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching the Global Mindset University. My name is Mohammed Rashid Kamal.
And I'm here, Rashid.
Yes, I'm here today with Shadia Rashid. We are really energetic and excited to share you guys this really an important application here with you guys. Augmented reality is the first episode, and we're gonna continue building augmented reality application. So this is the first episode. We showed you how you can install Unity in your local machine, and the requirement for that is either you need to be a student or you need to make less than 100,000 to get the free license for Unity. Once you have that, you can download it.
Oh, well, yeah.
You can download
well,
it.
I am a student. I still really want to learn about augmented reality because it looks very amazing to use.
That's right, Shadia. So once you have that, it's very simple. You just need to download it, and once you download, go ahead and select which project you're going to build. So we'll show you that's the first project or the first augmented reality project for you. If you are a beginner, you can go ahead and work with it, because this episode is because we have got a lot of, from the Global Mindset University, we have got 1.17K subscribers, and we have got number of questions where to start in augmented reality application. So this is the first place where you can go. So the Unity, and as well as the Google augmented reality platform, where you can get it under Google's developers.google.com/AR, has a lot of information as well. Thank you for being with us, everyone. We'll continue with the next episode very soon. My name is Mohammed Rashid Kamal, and I was here with
Rashid.
Great. So we'll see you very soon. I want to say thank you so much for being with us. I want to say thank you very much. Please continue catching up with us on the next episode. We'll present to you how we built the augmented reality application. We're going to build it together here on this video together with you guys. I want to say thank you so much for staying with us. Until we see each other, have a great day.
Bye, everyone. And I really can't wait to see you on the next episode.
Yes. You like this video? Give it a thumb up. If you don't like it, give it a thumb down. Give us a reason on the description so we can improve on the next episode. And as well as, if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe so that you can get the notification when we are live or when we create any video here in the Global Mindset University. Till we see each other with the next episode. Have a good one, everyone. I want to say thank you so much, Shadi, as well, for being with us here at the Global Mindset Studio.